Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss the next PYQ of real analysis asked in IIT JAM 2023. So our question is, if f from R2 to R be the function defined as follows: f of xy is equals to x square minus 1 whole to the power 2 cos square y square upon x square minus 1 to the whole square if x not equals to plus minus 1 and 0 if x is equals to plus minus 1. Then the number of points of discontinuity of fxy is. So this function is defined and we have to find the point of discontinuity of this function. For solving this question, we have to know this function. We have to know one concept, that if function fx or y which is in one variable, that is fx is equals to x to the power alpha cos of 1 upon x, where x is always continuous if alpha is greater than 0. If alpha is greater than 0, then function is always continuous. So this is the concept of one variable, but we have to deal with two variables, this function r2 to r. But by seeing this function, we see that this function y square is just behave like a constant, because we have only vary x, not vary y. This is behave like a constant function, so we can treat this as one variable and solve this. By one variable, this is converted into what? If a function of xy, no problem, but x square minus 1 to the power square cos square of this function of y, say it is 1, and x square minus 1 to the power square. We see this is behave as alpha, and this by comparing this by this, we see this is alpha and this is also alpha, and this alpha is equals to 2 is greater than 0. So this function is always continuous. So if this function, in this function y is also defined and it's also vary, then we cannot apply this concept here. But if y is constant and y does not varies with this function, we can apply this, and by this only tricks we can say that this function is continuous everywhere. So point of discontinuity is 0. So this is a simple concept you have to apply here. By observation, you see y is a constant because the variable of variation of y is not defined in this. You have to see only for x. So this is a continuous function, so number of discontinuity is 0. So this is a solution of this question. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.